Alright, so today I got with me some salmon fish. Join me, let's get really creative to do something finger licking and mouth-watering that you would always love to have on your table and in your stomach. Come, let's go. So nutritive. Because today I'm making this salmon fish with some ripe plantain in order to get a complete dish, I will be dropping the accurate measurements of baked salmon in the description box below for you to follow step by step. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at that. So after I mince off the fish, I get to slice it. I got this fish from Costco and I'm absolutely loving what I see. Once I'm done slicing, I just pour everything into the foil pan where I'll get to marinate with some spices. Talking about spicing, so I have the Knorr spice, which is to give it some taste. Then I have Badia seasoning. This is a must-have. So good. After that, I add in some curry for flavor and some pepper to get it hot and spicy. Next, we have some white pepper. Just pour it in there, and some garlic. Then I add some country onions. This is optional for those of you who don't know it, but I just love the smell. It's very good for the flavor and taste. And I just get to mix, 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 and mix. At this point, I'm going to be adding in some pinch of salt to even out the taste of everything. Then I mix again, and it's ready to go into the oven. So I set it on low in order to get it well cooked. At this point, we're just going to allow the fish in the oven to keep baking or broiling. Then we concentrate on the stuff that needs to be sliced. So we start off with the plantain, wash it, and then peel it just like so. After that, slice. I know my method of slicing, right? We can equally just slice using the chopping board. Then we get to slice the tomatoes and add into the pot. I'm just loving this. I really love it. I don't know about you, but for me, it's red onion any day, anytime. So slice your onion just like you did with the tomatoes. Once we are done slicing, put everything into the pot as well and just mix, mix, mix. Add some spices like you did to the salmon and just mix, mix, mix. At this point, I'm checking the salmon in the oven. It's not yet as brown as I want it, so I'll just put the plantain on the fire. Come back to check the salmon. Oh yes, it's golden brown. So flip it to the other side and then put back in the oven so it can get really well cooked as well. While you concentrate on the plantain, add some water. So I add crayfish. Some people know it as njanga. It's so good with adding more taste and flavor. And then I just pour in some oil into the pot since it's getting ready. The salmon is ready. It's ready, people. I love it. So I'll just turn off the oven. At this point, the plantain too is well cooked. Ooh, look at that. I can't wait to eat this. I'm telling you, like, I'm already salivating. I always enjoy this food. Please try to cook it at home. Your children will love it. Your spouse, you will just love it. You can't get enough of this food. Look at that. It's so delicious and it's very nutritive. So I'm adding in the salmon. I'm just, yes, the time has come to taste. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What? I love this. I just love it. I love it. I love it. Try these and check out our other recipes. Love you.